Hello everyone, welcome to video lecture. In this module, we will discuss splitting of white light into 7 colors and merging of 7 colors into white light. Dear students, in the previous module, we have discussed lenses are of two types, convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens, which is thick in the middle and thin at the edges, and it bends the light inwards. So it is called a converging lens. And concave lens, it is thin in the middle and thick at the edges, and it bends the light outward. It spreads the light. So it is called diverging lens. Convex lens is called converging lens because the light of rays parallel to the principal axis after refraction through a convex lens meet at a point. They converges at a point on the principal axis. That is not convex lens. And concave lens, it is called diverging because rays of light parallel to the principal axis after refraction gets diverged and appear to come from a point on the same side of the lens. Now, images formed by convex lens. Image formed by convex lens is generally erect, virtual and magnified, and by concave lens it is erect, virtual and smaller in size. Now, uses of lenses. Lenses are used in spectacles, microscopes, telescopes, etc. Now, the sunlight is made up of 7 colors. You might have seen a rainbow in the sky after rains. A rainbow has 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Let's perform an activity that white light consists of 7 colors. Allow a narrow beam of sunlight to fall on one side of the prism and keep a screen on other side of the prism. We can see that 7 colors of rainbow are seen on the screen. This shows that white light is made up of 7 colors, and this process is known as dispersion. The splitting of white light into 7 colors on passing through a transparent medium is known as dispersion, and this phenomena of dispersion is responsible for the formation of rainbow in the sky after rain. When white light or sunlight, you can say, passes through the water droplets that remain suspended in the air after rains, they refract and reflect to form a rainbow. Thus, we can say the colors of the rainbow are in fact the colors emitted by the sun, and the water is the object which refracts the light. Now, we'll discuss that 7 colors on merging gives a white light. Now, for this, take a circular disc and divide it into 7 segments. Paint the 7 rainbow colors on it and make a small hole in the center of the disc. Fix the disc on the tip of a ball pen. When the disc is rotated at a very high speed, the color gets mixed and appears white. This is known as Newton's colors disc. It means the 7 colors on merging gives white light, and white light on passing through a transparent medium splits into 7 colors. It means white light is made up of 7 colors. Thank you and have a nice day.